Alright.
They love you.
I love you too. Big up to the brothers.
Anyway, they're not a village. We never done a food touch on you. Yeah, that.
Yo, let me tell you, Jamaica. Yo, let me tell you, Jamaica. Yo, Maroon.
I love you all, Billy. Don't come on. SASHI to the world. A fight. You know what change this now? 5 years.
Alright.
5 years out of SASHI. When I try band, turn it to the walk and share on the flyers. You hear that?
Yes, mommy. Yo, let me tell you something while I'm in Jamaica. Because I try to become president of Haiti, you know. You can roll that. Vybz Kartel, free him. There is no evidence. Free the boss. Period.
Yo, what's your name? Wyclef. Short time again. See your turn. Yeah. I'm Mr. People, are you ready? No, say no. I will say no. Come on, no. You know a pow, you percent. I'm Mr. People, are you ready? Pow, pow. Where the others are people over there? I'm reading all this now. Yo, DJ, play some song. Nice on the place. No.
Bring it up, please.
What am I going to do? Bring a keypad then come now.
We need the match now.
Yo, on a DVD, you know.
The man just hear him drink with you.
Just on this, so we do not stop. Our video. I look here, we got the phone case and the screen protector. Yeah, what am I going to do? Give me your left side iPhone first. Can I look like the man said the phone and stop here? What am I saying?
Alright, hold on, Bishop. Put fun and joke aside, cause you see Jamaica, you have to deal with them serious. Bring back the man phone, now make me come back, you say, hold this.
Hold on there, wait there. Roger while I work. We know the little shot here, I go to one.
Wait there.
Yeah, here them, on the blood clot fingerprint upon it. We soon come back. Wyclef, talk to them.
Alright, listen. The phone is slowly coming back. We have the part, so the next part me I need is a blood clot charger.
So, hold on there, Wyclef. But you say I give a 600 US. Somebody find this and this. This is 50. Wait, let me see. Screen protector, case, battery, keypad. So every piece I find them find, they give them $100.
Alright.
So
right
$200 in the back phone.
So 200 so far.
You and you. The Indian girl and here to shop in the one who look like some church a morning.
Alright, so
SASHI.
yo, thank you. I still got the blood clot battery.
Wait. The youth to find the phone, get $400. US. What on? Rhyme up, you get money?
For
Oh, you get
money. Yeah, what go on
Rhyme
now?
up, you get money?
Explain now.
I'm asking you a question.
Yeah, Wyclef give me a money. Remember, I don't funny. I don't Jamaica honey. And him can't run up the tummy. Okay, yeah.
Easy.
He give me $100. I want to know what it's for. If it come too easy, I don't want it.
Calm down. Calm down.
Alright, put my arm down.
I'm telling you what's happening.
If it come too easy, I don't want it now. So let me
hold
know.
on. Look here.
Can I throw it to the crowd?
No, look here. Mama hold it. No, hold on. Remember bless the money. Mama bless the money.
Hold on to what you got, and I hold on to what I
got.
got. Okay, guys.
Hello.
So the man find the phone. The youth will get the phone. Get 4 bills.
4.
Relax now, brother. To find the phone, I ain't find the phone.
Sure name pick it.
Brother Bill, man. Then now, the other people them get their money. See? That 100 US when me get now, announce the phone. But so him find the phone case and I made him apart, me give him a change. And right now, the girl you know will find the screen protector, you have to give her a change.
From 7
Who found the screen protector?
From 7.
Wait, which one? Yo E. Bring a 100. Who found the screen protector?
Me know she never come. Me know her. She gone home, but me know where she live.
Which one? Who found the screen protector?
Hold on, come. Me know where she live. I'm Miss Natty granddaughter. Me know where she live, man. Wyclef, she work at call center. She gone home.
From 7 o'clock today, Wyclef buy me
yeah,
a
man, me know a woman. I tell her.
Oh, millionaire for give something I give.
Relax, man. Look here, Wyclef.
And they look a short girl and get catch up in a one. But she have call center work a morning. Yeah, me know
She found the street.
Yeah, but me have go up her yard
and link her.
Clear the stage now because we are about to create heaven and earth.
Somebody say SASHI!
SASHI!
When I see Esteban, big money popping everywhere we go. Big money popping everywhere we go. Big